Happy birthday, Ate Mecca. I hope you're enjoying your celebration tonight. Anyway, nung una...
Ito naman tawa. Yung isa iyak.
Nung una, naiya po mag-approach sa iyo. Kasi di tayo magkakilala. But despite the term nahihiya ako pa rin yung unang pumausap sa inyo sa ODS at Atail. Anyway, hindi, I didn't expect that we'll be so close to the point na i-include mo ako sa 18 candles list mo. I'm grateful sa life mo, and thank you for keeping up with my weird jokes and personality to the point na nahahawa ka. And I thank God that I have you as one of my ates and friends. May God bless you, your family and friends, and may He give you the wisdom, strength, and guidance you need as you enter the world of adulthood. May you continue to persevere and come out strong as you face the challenges you'll be facing. And I pray that you get to see the beauty and fun in being an adult. Love you, Ate. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Miss
Wala nang
Yumi.
thank you.
Si Rudy Baldwin yan.
Si Pram the Top kasi. Thank you, Miss Yumi. Okay, let's proceed to another